Guys, if you don't know how to join, wait, how do you don't know how to just join like this one or this and this? If you want to do it, I'll show you. Go and use this sound. When it says something went wrong, go to add sound and add like this sound and click this and image overlay and click a picture you want. If you want a picture like this, screenshot any clothes. Here you go. Have a nice day and bye. Yeah, bye bye.